Kia ora tātou, I roti te manaaki tātou tātou ariki, ko te māngai e tautoko mai, ai nei ake ni ai. Māramatanga in a minute, day 3. So we're just going to have a quick kōrero around the differences between a rā nui and a rā tapu. Most of us would refer to the 8th of November as a rā nui, and it is a rā nui, but it's more appropriate to refer to the 8th of November as a rā tapu. So for the likes of the 25th of January, when Taupō Miratana was born, that's rā nui. 18th of September, when Taupō Miratana passed away, that's rā nui also. But the 8th of November, this is a rā tapu, because this is a day of rest, it's a day of no work, and it's a day that we can fully te iho o ngā mano. So, mo te waru o ngā rawa noema, he rā whakatā tēnei, he rā kore mahi, he rā mo iho anake. So, ai, he rā tapu te waru ngā rawa noema. So, nō reira, ka manake tama o tō tātou ariki, ki rungi a tātou katoa, ko te māngai tautoko mai, ai mea te mea. Kia ora.